of a lion. In 1, 2, 3. Good job, everyone. Now, did you see our group of pigeons? Well, did you know the pigeons from our places and can find their way back home, no matter how far they will go? That's what they use as messengers to carry out messages to our friends, families, and loved ones. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please sit back, relax, and also enjoy as our fine fun events will showcase their natural behaviors, will invite guest participation, and to share important environmental message. But let me ask you again something. Are you ready to be amazed by our fine fun events? Alright, let's start off. Let me call Bert Pinner on stage. Let's have Mr. James. And so welcome our blue and gold Makoning, Amigo. So Amigo comes from South America and lives in the rainforest of Brazil. As he is a very responsible bird, he loves to keep his environment clean. We have here 2 sample trash bins named as biodegradable and non-biodegradable. We also have here some sample trash. And let's see how Amigo clean up this mess. Okay, buddy? Okay, so ready? And 1. First trash. Let's have a plastic bottle wash all the way. What's this, buddy? Which bin? Open the non-bottle bin and you drop it inside. Good bird. Next trash. A beer box. Wash all the way. Now open the bottle bin and you drop it inside. Good bird. Third trash, buddy. Let's have, okay, a paper cup. Wash all the way. No, but that's not non-biodegradable. Okay, let's have the next trash instead. Let's have the plastic bottle. Okay, what's next? Which bin? Wash all the way. Open the perfect bin and you drop it inside. Good bird, Amigo. Now see if the bird can do it, why can't be, right? So always remember to put trash inside the trash bins. As the saying goes, cleanliness is next to you. That's right, got it. Now thank you so much, Amigo, and thank you so much, Mr. James. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for our next break, we have they're very cute and very playful. So, and in everyone's cooperation, please remain seated and do not try to reach out or touch these birds, as they will fly closer and even closer to you guys. Ladies and gentlemen, I is here and meet our cute and playful eclectus parrots named Star and Trio. Now, ladies and gentlemen, these parrots, they are dimorphic type of birds, meaning you can easily identify this a male or a female just by looking at their colors. Male eclectus have bright green in color, just like Rio, while the female eclectus parrots have bright red in color, just like Star. And for the lifespan under human care, can live up to 40 to 60 years under human care. As a human care, they will provide the food and you will take care of your doctors or vets here inside Sydney Safari. Now let's do it again one more time. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and go. So this is can be found in the skies of Solomon Islands, Papua New Guinea, and Australia. Okay, good birds. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a master an applause right here and play for the eclectus parrots named Star and Trio. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for our next breed we have, this is a very special, intelligent, and a super handsome bird. But I need your help to call him. Can you say Jumbo?
Django.
Okay, everyone say it louder. Say Jumbo.
Django.
Okay, there you are, buddy. Now here's our green-winged Makoning, Jumbo. So Jumbo, buddy, hi, buddy. Good morning. Okay, so Jumbo, can you wave to the crowd like this one, buddy? Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to Cebu Safari. So everyone, can you wave back and say hello, Jumbo?
Hello, Django.
So Makosa has very long nails and feathers and grown 3 feet from its head down to its tail. The tail itself roughly extends up to 2 feet. Now Jumbo's going to show us his beautiful tail. So buddy, turn around. Turn around, Jumbo. Good boy. Good bird. Last one. Nice. As you can see, most of his colors are outside his body and less colors underneath his wings. Now Jumbo's going to show us his beautiful wings. But first, can you say wings? Now everyone say it again, say wings. Last in the cause of zygodiacal feet, meaning they have two toes pointing forward and two toes that points backwards. They also use their feet, hold things, and climb. Now, Mr. Irvin here is a ground-up. We will place it inside a plastic basket. Now, let's see what John will do. Now, Jumbo carefully lifts out the plastic basket, and that is not good for Jumbo. Additionally, because you're often compared to a 4-year-old child because of how they think and act. But wait, there's more. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Jumbo's friends. From the jungles of South America, here comes our flying macaws. I need everyone's cooperation to please remain seated and do not try to reach out or touch these birds. So please have been standing, walking or running during this act as they will fly closer and even closer to you guys. These birds have very powerful sharp talons and claws. Again, it is for your own safety as they will fly closer and even closer to you. Now, macaws are bred up in whatever environment they're in, it becomes quite normal to them. So if they're surrounded by many people, they will accept many people. Now, the main diet consists of fruits, all fruits, vegetables, flowers, stems, and leaves. And individual they eat moderate clay to neutralize toxins from various plants in their diet. It also gives them essential minerals.